Hello friends, welcome to E2C, which is Education to Career. So in this video, I'll be covering the most important current affair questions, part 13 on CMET examination. So let's get started with the video. Question number 1. Which state government has decided to remove reservation in promotions for SC/ST employees? So the correct answer for A, which is Uttarakhand. On September 5th, 2012, Uttarakhand state government issued order banning reservation in promotion. On April 1st, 2019, Uttarakhand High Court nullified state government order of banning the reservation in promotions. Question number 2. Which state has launched the police station visitor survey system and in-night beat checking system? So the correct answer is D, which is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh state government launched police station visitor survey system and in-night beat checking system for Himachal Police in Simla. This system would help the police department in doing self-evaluation and improve the working of police. Question number 3. The government has approved the proposal for creation of National Technical Textile Mission for the period of how many years? So the correct answer is option B, which is for 4 years. The government has approved the proposal for creation of National Technical Textile Mission for a period of 4 years from 2020-21 to 23-24 with an outlay of rupees 1,480 crores. Question number 4. When was International Day of Happiness 2020 observed? So the correct answer is D, which is 20th March. March 20 has been established as the annual International Day of Happiness, and all 193 United Nations member states have adopted a resolution calling for happiness to be given greater priority. Question number 5. The Defense Minister has signed a major contract with which country for procuring more than 16,000 light machine guns? So the correct answer is C, which is Israel. The Defense Minister has signed a major contract for procuring more than 16,000 light machine guns from an Israeli firm for frontline troops. The ministry on said that it has signed a rupees 880 crore contract for the light machine guns with Israel Weapon Industries. Question number 6. DBS Bank India has tied up with which insurance company to roll out a complimentary insurance plan covering all medical conditions including COVID-19? So the correct answer is option B, which is Bharti AXA. DCB Bank has tied up with Bharti AXA to roll out a complimentary insurance plan covering all medical conditions including COVID-19. The plan would cover all medical conditions including COVID-19 and up to 10 days of hospitalization with the cover of rupees 5,000 per day for a 30 days period. Question number 7. WhatsApp Coronavirus Information Hub has been launched globally by WhatsApp in partnership with Dash. So the correct answer is option D. WhatsApp Coronavirus Information Hub has been launched globally by WhatsApp in partnership with all of the above, which is WHO, UNICEF, and UNDP. Question number 8. Indian Railway has planned to electrify a total of 28,810 kilometers of broad gauge route by Dash. So the correct answer is option A, which is by December 2023, Indian Railways plan to electrify a total 28,810 kilometers of broad gauge route. Indian Railways bets big on electrification and renewable energy. Question number 9. Which among the following has announced to start Vamalavan Express for budding entrepreneurs? So the correct answer is B, which is SIDBI. The Small Industrial Development Bank of India, SIDBI, said it will start Swalamban Express on 5th June 2020 for budding entrepreneurs. Question number 10. Kamal Nath, who has given his resignation, was the Chief Minister of which state? So the correct answer is A, which is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Kamal Nath announced his resignation just as a couple of hours ahead of a crucial floor test in the assembly for which he did not clarify the number. With the trust vote listed in the business of the Madhya Pradesh Assembly, Nath announced his resignation at a press conference called at his residence. Question number 11. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of Salesforce India? So the correct answer is D, which is Arundhati Bhattacharya. Arundhati Bhattacharya, named chairperson and CEO, Salesforce India. San Francisco headquarter customer relationship management software provider Salesforce has appointed former SBI chairman Arundhati Bhattacharya as chairperson and CEO of Salesforce India. Question number 12. Which Iceland is losing its ice sheet 6 times faster than they were in 1990s? So the correct answer is B, which is Greenland. In a recent report, the ice sheet mass balance intercompression exercise team has revealed that Greenland and Atlantic ice sheet are losing ice 6 times faster than they were in 1990s. The findings reveal that the two regions have lost 6.4 million tons of ice since 1990s. Question number 13. What is the rank of India in the World Happiness Report 2020? So the correct answer is D, which is 144th. India was ranked at a decimal 144 as the United Nations on Friday released its World Happiness Report. A total of 156 nations were surveyed. India scored 3.537 points, ranking lower than Pakistan, which secured 5.693 points, ranking 66 out of all the countries surveyed. Question number 14. Who has become the first Indian to complete a volcanic 7 summit enters Limca Book of Records? So the correct answer is option B, which is Satyarap Siddharthana. An Indian mountaineer Satyarup Siddharthana is leaving this prophetic world by conquering the most dangerous summit in the world and bringing laurels to the nation. Siddhartha has been nominated for the coveted Limca Book of World Record for his extraordinary achievement to be first Indian to climb the highest volcanoes of each of the continents. Question number 15. The Reserve Bank of India has released guidelines for regulating PAs. What does PA stand for? So the correct answer is D, which is payment aggregators. The Reserve Bank of India has released guidelines for regulating PAs. The PA stands for payment aggregators. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.